up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make some vegan dirty rice. But before we get into this video, you guys, we wanted to like, comment, subscribe, turn on that post notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Let's get into this video, you guys. Got some Cajun dirty rice, you guys. Vegan style. Yes, let's try this out. Cajun vegan dirty rice. Good. I don't know about Bojangles now. My dirty rice tastes pretty good. You know when something good, you start dancing. Or even if you're hungry and you're ready to eat, you start dancing. Yeah, this is good. Cajun dirty rice? Yes. Vegan style. That's it, y'all. Here's all your ingredients. You have your sausage, you have your rice, you have your spices, veggie broth, peppers, onions, and garlic. We're going to go ahead and start cooking our rice. I'm going to add the veggie broth. And you're going to add the rice. And while we're waiting on the rice to cook, let's go ahead over here and make our sausages. You want to go ahead and place the sausages in the air fryer. I'm going to use about 6 of these patties. Actually, that's all in the bag. I'll place them in the air fryer for about 10 minutes. Alright guys, these are done. I'm gonna let these cool off so I can crumble these up. I'm gonna go ahead and saute our peppers and onions while we're waiting for the sausages to cool up so I can crumble those up. And the rice is still cooking. Now this is done. We're going to set this aside. And I'm going to go ahead and crumble up the sausages while I'm still waiting on the rice to finish cooking. And if y'all hear me keep going in and out, that's because my background is always noisy. One day that's going to change. Now I'm going to go ahead and crumble up these sausages. Still kind of hot. hear that noise in the background, that's the washing machine. I'm trying to wash clothes and make a video and all that at the same time, so I can get ready for this Mayweather fight tonight. Alright, I got all these crumbled up here. Making them a little bit smaller, but once I start mixing it, it's going to start crumbling on its own anyway. So this is the crumbled sausage. Still waiting on the rice to finish cooking, but I got everything else prepared. Now that the rice is done, we're going to mix all the ingredients together. Add in your peppers, onions, and garlic. Add in your better than bouillon vegetable base. Add in your garlic powder. Add in your onion powder. Add in your Cajun seasoning, the brand that you like. Black pepper. Now you're going to add in your crumbled sausage. Now you want to mix this up, making sure that everything is combined well. Alright guys, there you have it. Vegan dirty rice. Enjoy. Hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did making it. See you next time. Bye.